Google just launched a game-changing AI update called Omni, and it's now available in Google ImageFX. You can now create ultra-realistic UGC videos, product demos, and viral content using a simple chat-based workflow. The new agent mode makes video creation as easy as texting on WhatsApp. Let me show you exactly how this works. Hit that like button and let's dive in. First, search for Google ImageFX and open the website. Click on New Project to get started. Now, here's the exciting part. You'll see a new feature called Agent Mode. This is a complete game changer. Agent Mode works like a smart chatbot that remembers everything you upload and every change you make. No more re-uploading files or starting from scratch. Let me show you how powerful this is. Let's create a UGC product video. For this example, I'm creating a review video for a chocolate bar. First, drag and drop two images, your model's photo and your product photo. I'm uploading a model image and a mango chocolate bar product image. Both files are now uploaded and ready to use. Now click on Agent at the bottom to enable Agent Mode. Here's where it gets super easy. You write prompts just like you're chatting on WhatsApp. Simple conversational language. Type UGC video of @ and the model options will appear. Click to tag the model. Then write holding the @ and tag the product image. Continue. She is talking directly into the lens and says, now add the dialogue. For example, okay, honestly, I thought mango and chocolate combo would be weird, but this is actually so good. The chocolate is so smooth, and now I understand why people get obsessed with these types of snacks. Look how realistic this is. The lip sync is perfect, the movements are natural, and it looks completely professional. Here's the best part. If you want to make changes, you don't need to re-upload anything. Agent Mode remembers your images and settings. Just type what you want to change in the chat, and it'll update instantly. This saves massive amounts of time. Click Download to save your video. Important note, you need a paid Google One AI Premium plan to access Omni features. Subscribe to Bulk AI for more cutting-edge tutorials. Drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.
Okay, honestly, I thought the mango and chocolate combo would be weird. The chocolate is so smooth and the mango flavor inside is lit. Now I understand why people get obsessed with these types of snacks.